Welcome to Aurora's nighttime revel. How do these stunning natural light dancers paint such mesmerizing patterns in the sky? What scientific principles hide behind these colorful beams? We'll explore the magical collaboration of Earth's magnetic field and solar winds to unlock the secrets of this natural light show. Join our wondrous journey to unveil the stories behind nature's most magnificent visual feast and experience this dazzling spectacle of nature. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Stay curious.